So we're going to do a variation on our Mexican mule called an El Diablo. Any of you that know a little bit of Spanish out there, you probably realize El Diablo is the devil. It's going to be a very devilish and spicy drink. So a tall glass is what we're going with. Very easy build on ice cocktail. We're going to go with 1.5 ounces of tequila. So the double's also going to be kind of strong, so we're going to make this one a double. So 1.5 ounces of tequila to start, ginger beer with a splash of lime. So let's go ginger beer first. Come on. There we go. So ginger beer, a splash of lime. The lime always goes nicely with ginger beer. And we're going to go and float some creme de cassis on top. Think back to that bramble. We're doing the same kind of thing. Now 1/2 ounce of our cassis, and we're going to try and float that. However, it's going to sink down. It's going to hang there kind of like devilish horns. Garnish with a lime in this case, tequila, always with the lime. We have the El Diablo.
Start Bartending is an online course covering everything you need to know to confidently begin as a bartender. We will teach you how to make more money by making your customers happy with premium cocktails, efficient drink building techniques, and product knowledge. Go to startbartending.com to sign up for the course that can change your career and create new opportunities for you.